Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39. Today's the day I'm going to show you the studio I have in my new RV. So the RV is a Solitude from Grand Design. Its model is 377 MBS. It's a 40-foot fifth wheel with a middle bunk. And the bunk room is the room that's been converted to an office, which is now my studio. So as you can see, it's in the center of the rig. Above it is a loft. I'll show you pictures of it in a little bit. This is what the studio looked like when it was still a bunk room, so the couch on the bottom pulls out to a little bed, and then the top, of course, you can sleep, kids. This is what it looked like after, when there's IKEA drawers put on either side and a tabletop on the top. So you go inside, you turn right, go up these little stairs, and that's where the loft is. You know, it's great for little kids sleeping, but I'm using it as storage to put all of my items for sale in my Etsy shop and my web page. You go down the stairs and go into the bunk room, and there is the setup. There is the important cup of coffee. Isn't that a beautiful tabletop? The top is 6 feet by 40 inches. And behind me is this cupboard with drawers, and then there's a desk for studying if there's a child living in the bunk room. Now I'm going to show you what's in the drawers. So in the top drawer on the left-hand side, stylus, bone folders, pencils, glue, scissors, rulers, that kind of thing. And then below is going to be my ATG and a small paper trimmer. And this is just tools and technology that I'll use. And the bottom drawer is going to have 8.5 by 11 colored cardstock. I think I have some storage things in the back there. And in the drawers on the right hand side, you're going to see the top drawer has my iPad. That's where I keep my laptop. This is just work in progress. Miscellaneous tools and punches here. And the bottom is my black and white cardstock for making mini albums. And on the cabinet on the top shelf, finished cards and envelopes, punches. That's just an empty box, and work in progress. And what's on the other side? So there's ribbon and string, Mod Podge, shakers and toppings, painting supplies and alcohol inks, Tyvek, acetate, labels, brads and eyelets, metal embellishments, and chipboards down there. And then in the cubby there's paper trimmers, scoreboard, stamp apparatus, just different punch boards, and my heat embossing gun. In the top drawer I have adhesives, card making class adhesives, miscellaneous stuff, ATG, scored tape. And this drawer has embellishments and ephemera, flowers, stickers, Project Life cards, enamel dots, miscellaneous clips, washi tape, and tons of ephemera. And then the bottom drawer is things for stamping and die cutting, embossing plates, die cut stamps. And then there's a little shelf attached to the cupboard. It's got my printer, my Big Kick, packing supplies for sending out orders, and my Cricut is there. I could switch places with the printer and put the Cricut up there if I need to. So that's the tour of my studio. Hope you liked it. Here's some other pictures of different parts of the rig. Again, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe and you'll find out about further adventures of Project 39 mini albums as we tour the country in our new Solitude. Thanks for watching.